Groups. Locate groups by clicking on the arrow under the username. A group is the telephone number you use to text from in FlexText. Think of groups as business units like HR, sales, customer service, or marketing. Many customers use just one number or group. However, customers that have multiple use cases typically have more than one number, so that each business group has its own number and functions separately from the others. When first getting started, you will need to assign a telephone number as the primary group. Click Edit next to Primary. Then under Telephone Number, select the number you want to designate as primary. If you have multiple telephone numbers, then you will need to name each number and assign those accordingly. To help distinguish between your groups, you can color coordinate each. There are additional settings for groups that you can configure, such as chat transfers. These are just like transferring a call, but the chat can be transferred between agents. You may also set a schedule so that any inbound text messages receive an away message while the business is after hours. FlexText has predefined schedules that you may select, or you may create your own schedule. FlexText also can notify an agent or user that they have missed an inbound text or chat. Notifications can be via email, text, or both. You may select how long an inbound text sits neglected until you receive a system notification. Add a user to receive notifications. Please note that both the group and the user must have notifications turned on and selected for the system to notify that user. You may also set automated messages. You may send inbound texts to a pathway if you have one set up. Or you may set predefined welcome, farewell, and no agent available messages to communicate to your customers. Once your settings are configured, you can see them on the main group screen here.